Okay, I think. I hope. Okay, sweet. Dude, it took so long to get that working. Apparently, I need browser integration with this streaming software. I'm sorry if you get pinged a lot. Um, I don't know how many notifications you might get from this one stream, but it's hopefully working. Let me get some music on. Hold up. There you go. Okay, perfect. Um, there you go. Okay. Boom. Hello. Welcome everybody to stream. Today we're gonna be doing more Minecraft coding. Ooh. I've been doing a lot of coding recently with this. We're doing something kind of small for now. As you can see, I'm working on magic books. I could showcase that off a little bit. I don't have the data pack right now enabled, but yeah, the resource pack's enabled, so I think that works. We are right now just working on a little Minecraft jam, actually. Something small. Ooh, you know what? I will actually. I haven't done this at all, but we are gonna. Yeah, I was just looking into more of a Python integration, because if we look over here, this looks kind of weird. Gonna move this comment down here. This right now is commented out, but we got particle library. That's something worked on like last stream a little bit. That was like a good test for seeing how things work, I think. And don't get me wrong, I think there is going to be a possibility for having like 3D engine capabilities with using Open 3D, and that's a Python library. So we could possibly use that, I hope. But anyways, oh yeah, this right here, this is, well, my bane of existence. It kind of, what I found out when importing stuff, especially with Python files, because Bolt is okay, but it has its very stern restrictions. I can actually create a Python module, and it all works. 42. Yeah. But it always starts at src and then goes down. Probably because the beat.json looks for, well, all this. So you got beat and then src. That's pretty much how it works. And if I just go that, look at that. I got a variable from a function, and it works. But right now, I'm working on a little. Well, we can close up this lib test right now. Look at this. Ho 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 ho. Right now we got. It's elemental, I think. Community jams. I love the data pack gems. They're interesting. And you always get to do something new. So yeah, look at that. Theme is elements. And with this, ooh, we got 9 days. We're doing pretty good. I coded up the back end of this right now. Like, this works, and the config, that's all that does. Configs, apply nearest player jump boost. And if I do, it's already running right now, but if I put in dirt, emerald, and I run this command, combo command list, boom, that mixture gives me a jump boost. And it's always got to be a cauldron with water in it. Let's say if we got like, here, let's affect it clear. It doesn't work. It's a really cool little touch of something. I don't know. It removes the items too, because you know, if you're gonna get something from this, probably should remove the items. I gotta make this ticking too. Just this. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot of functions, as you can see, because you know, just every case situation. I know it's not the best when making Minecraft data packs. Like, some of these, if you don't use them, you don't need them. But you know, it's useful for having it. Okay, so this is what I was working on. Okay, so we got 4 color in colors, and the colors tab was up here from importing a config. And we need this polygon triangle to have a function, but we also need it to have custom names, and that's a problem. I need CTX data so I can loop through names. I wonder if I could just input this command here, because if not, then I might be screwed. Color.name. Shoot. Wonder. You know, we'll just do this for now. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. What if I just wrap this in an F string? Triangle's not defined d-mean range. Shoot. That's wait, can I just do function particle slash or colon and then have color dot name slash apply, and we're just gonna pass this up. Expected a colon but got curly. Okay. Man. Expect an MBT compound, okay. Minecraft function red. Wait, that's actually okay. Okay, I see how it is. Shoot, that makes more sense than it was. But that means we can have the. I'm just gonna copy this part because this. Okay. There we go. And right now we're just gonna go I equals 1. Oh. So function red. Oh yeah, I need to reload. Oops. So function Minecraft red. Yeah. Okay, okay. That's actually kind of nice. Shoot, yeah. You know, that kind of reminds me of that time we had a rock. Anyways, yeah, that was pretty bad. Yeah, but no, that's really nice. So I just make that loop over. We can do, man, name space equals color dot name. Should still work. Yeah, yeah. And now we can have a namespace. So we can do particle colon and then name slash apply. Okay. Now this would be triangle. Yeah, because we're technically. Wonder if I can have dot notation. Nope. But I know underscore. Oh. Particle. Then for I in range, I don't know, 10. Then we can actually do the ranges. Let's go. No, we don't need this. Now we do slash reload slash function particle the triangle. Oh. Yeah. Five. Plus I divided by 3. Yeah. color. Okay, wait. Color. I don't think that worked. Yeah, that's the default. Can I wrap this into like a tuple instead? Because I think I need to pass the tuple. Or wait. Well, I can still pass a tuple. Red, green, blue. Ah. Slash reload. Oh wait. Is it 255 or is it just... Oh yeah, because colors... 240. Three. Okay, but one definitely is... Yeah, okay. Gotcha. So then... Let's group one. What? Oh, yeah, it needed space. Whoops. That should still look the same. Yeah. Yep. Okay. And this can be applied. Red. I don't need to print this anymore. Function. There's gonna be particle colon. Let I don't know. Visual equal. And we're gonna have an F string of particle colon. And we're gonna have combo 3, was it? Yeah. File save all. Slash reload. Okay, now let's see if this works. I throw this in, and we do... Oh yeah. And this is gonna be like a bunch of, elements, mixing all this stuff together. And hopefully I'll get like a couple hundred maybe. I got an idea how to do that. But yeah, this works. So I guess I can just put the namespace into that, and then hopefully it will work. Blue, green, So I think once this starts working, like officially, like we just have like one element, but the backend, the backend should work hopefully where I can add like hundreds of combinations just out of one line, because like this is one line, and look at that. Pretty soon I'll have to yeah, hey, it's separated. Okay, sweet. And this is using the particle library as always. Gonna work on that more, because hopefully, simple particles like triangles, right? But there could always be more. Oh wait, this also offers up gradients too, because I'm just supporting 2 different types of gradients. Red to red, blue. So red, blue. And then, yeah. So if we do /function red. Wait, does it? Oh, yeah, because I keep forgetting to reload. /reload. /function red, blue. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's gonna look cool. Oh, we need sound. Just to make it sound pretty. Particle. No, that's not. What am I thinking? Play sound. I wonder if there's like Vindicator maybe? No. Whoosh. Wait, I think it's cast, cause oh yeah, record at all players in a distance of .20, let's say. We're gonna affect the position, volume 18, pitch 1, maybe let's do pitch 2. Yeah, that I like pitch 2. Hold on. I need to make sure this works, cause if we do this, Ooh, you know, I'm just gonna steal this. Yeah. From my other project, I'm just gonna bam, bam. That's magic stuff. And the only function we technically really need is combo command list. Watch. There we go. So now I don't have to run that command. Ho ho ho. Nice. Okay, let's create some more particles. Because I feel like particles might be nice. Namespace. Let's do square. Color. It's gonna have 4 sides. We're gonna do 2. I'm gonna do that. Alright, namespace. Square. Yeah. So now we just created /reload function particle. Yeah, 4 new. Yeah, 4 new particles. We're doing 15 divided by 2. Probably 3. Oh yeah. So now, nice particle. Ho ho ho. And look how easy it is to just Minecraft. Oh man, what should we have? Raw iron and coal. / give. Yeah, raw iron. Cool. We're not gonna jump boost. We're gonna do weakness, and we are gonna do apply fly underscore radius. What the? Combo. Hey? That's line 29. combo going with. That should work, unless it did something. You know what? Yeah, I just had these mixed around. Okay, let's see if this works. Slash reload. Oh, oh yeah, I need to do. I should do square. Square. Red to blue. So instead. Oh yeah. And then, yeah, I get weakness. Okay. And that's a combo. Yeah, it's kind of crazy because I got signed out of all my accounts. So, yeah. Okay, gold ingot and glowstone dust. Gold ingot and glowstone dust. Okay. Slash reload. Shoot, I might need yellow. Red to yellow. Okay, sweet. Now we need like a list of things. Oh, what about like summoning mobs? Oh, that gives me an idea. Because with main.bolt, we have like effects. Actually, this is particles for particle stuff. You know? Yeah. There you go. Hashtag this is for summoning mobs. I think I could just kind of copy this. And then I need man. There we go. Rotten flesh. And yeah, glow sun dust and rotten flesh. Yeah, why not? We'll summon a cow. Yeah. Mobs and mob. Mob that. Session. We're gonna do some and then summon, let's say it's axolotl. 1-5. Oh. Then summon. As whatever mob. And then small. Yeah, we'll just do one for now. Oh yeah. Oops. Oh yeah, need to save all. Next. Shoot. Run flash. Summon. LA. Summon. Cow. 1. We're doing. Ooh. Green. Square. Yes. Let's reload. Rotten flesh. And hopefully. Ho ho ho! That's so cool. Then we can summon mobs. You know, I am gonna change this. There we go. Oh, look at that. Now we just made what? A lot of commands here. And I think I could. Nah. Namespace that hexagon. And it's gonna have 6 sides. Or I guess I could rename that too. Square dot. And then hexagon dot. Ooh, yep. Particle generator. Hexagon equals hexagon. Rotate relative. I think that's what it is. Yeah. There you go, self XYZ pivot. Particle or hexagon dot 2. and then gonna have 0, 0, 0, and polygon 3D. Yeah, particles. Dot. Spawn gradient. Yeah. Yes. You could technically have that. I think. I'm gonna look at some previous stuff. Oh, right. Man, I'm kind of dumb with this. Yeah, we can keep this. But we need to spawn gradient particles. Yep. And this. And stuff can put on this. Get it tagged onto the end of this. And instead of inputting that, we input this because this got the chords in it. Control F, hexagon, 3D. But we don't need, I'll just put that there for now. So hexagon 3D. So X, Y, Z, radius, particles, yeah. All usual. Where's it saying that? Oh shoot. One, two, three. Oh yeah. Whoops. That was for old. Okay. Slash reload slash particle or slash function particle hexagon. Rotate relative. Yeah, we can have that. Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna have one. Yeah. Times 2. Yes. We'll have a bit more rotation with this one. Oh yeah. I think I misspelled hexagon, so we will. Yeah, hexagon. And we can have one here. Ooh, summon one creeper. And it can be yellow hexagon. There's gonna be rotten flesh plus I don't know powder. Oh yeah, we gotta do that. Oh yeah, because it's peaceful. But it would work if it did. Huh, that's just cool. Mm-hmm. Namespace. Basically gone to. And this is all localized, so this won't interfere with anything else. Yeah, instead of it growing out, I just want it to stay like that. And instead of having the RZ, we can have the... Ooh. Should we have it? Yeah, we'll have it actually grow out. I'm gonna add ×2, so it's more expansive. Hexagon 2. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're doing stuff. let's just go crazy with this, because low-key, we kind of need it. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. We definitely don't need 15 though. We'll just do 10 iterations. Yeah, so it's smaller, but that's okay. Oh yeah, particle generator. Dust. This is gonna be purple. I'm just gonna remove this. Ooh, let's have dark purple too. I'm gonna name this dark underscore purple. Purple to dark purple. And yeah, that's gonna be a lot of new commands being generated, but it hopefully will work. Let's just pick like, ooh, chicken. Some chicken. One chicken. And it's gonna be hexagon 2, but it's gonna be rotten flesh and I don't know. Let's do another wart. Oh yeah. I know. Yeah, that does weakness. Speed. let's get more colors, because I need more colors. And it's cool that it didn't break from adding more of this, so I might. Green to yellow. Just gonna scale these. Blue to yellow too. Ooh, it's actually that's kind of cool. That's one of my favorites. Dark purple, or purple to dark purple. These all have options of square, triangle, hexagon, hexagon 2. I think that's all I have right now. Square, hexagon, hexagon 2, yeah. So not much, but it's good options for now. Have option either or apply radius. If we this, we have one option, and that is 1, 2, 7. Yeah. Another alert blaze powder. Blaze powder. Redstone. And iron. Reload. Can I read it? Yeah, okay. Interesting. Oh yeah, that's the muzzle blaze, but peaceful mode again. So yeah. Can't really do that. I could change it though. Oh yeah, that works. rotten flesh. And spider eye, phantom membrane, and elytra. Cause why not? Diamond and totem of undying. Yeah. Ho ho ho. That's supposed to spawn a phantom. Ooh, but the diamond. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hero of the village. Got brown flesh. We got diamond feather. Gold nugget. And a pearl. Reload. That one doesn't really work. Okay. Duly noted. We can't have like two. Levitation. Ho 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 ho. You got luck. Slow falling. Yeah. Hero of the village. Okay, okay. And of course, if you got Tome of Dying, you also got Hero of the Village. Just different combinations, you know, yeah. Pretty sure people would do the round flesh plus diamond if they know about it. And that's the fun part, because I'm gonna make this discoverable soon. Well, kind of. Okay. Yeah, you can see kind of what I'm looking at. Look at this. More integrations. We got a lot of run flesh here, so. Yeah. Oh, what if I have special functions? I know there's like, ooh, slash function execute as at all players in a distance of dot dot, I don't know, 20. Some lightning bolt. Oh yeah, we need to run some lightning bolt. So, and then, oh yeah, this is all the code. This is kind of like a small project, so I hope it'll work out. I'm just doing function special lightning colon, and now if I have like a config over here of, ooh, let's see, gold and copper ingot. And then we are gonna save all. Yep, special is being generated, and instead of blue hexagon we're doing cyan. Yeah, cyan. Yeah. Slash reload. So we've got copper and gold. Oh yeah. Does it not work? Copper ingot, gold ingot. Special iron. Well, okay, so this is supposed to work, I think. Yeah. And wait, let me think. Cause main config function list should be nested execute. Yeah, so that works. Wait, slash give and gold ingot, copper ingot. Oh, yeah, now it works. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be our little special case. Man, that makes me think. Enchant, use player. Wait, does rotate? Distance, get that. 10 sort equals random. Nearest player. Okay, this will be yeah, this will be a nice little rotate command. Function special rotate. And rotate can be like an end of pearl. Ooh. Let's give bone meal. Ho ho ho. Special rotate. Dark purple, and it's gonna be square. If I just do / reload. Sorry, function special. Oh yeah. Wait, did I save all of it? I did not. That's probably why. Oh yeah. So let's say I'm facing up and then oh yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Okay, wait. This is actually a really good basis. There we go. I guess that would make sense. Mm-hmm. I think, yeah, with this I could integrate. Well, I can already integrate Python into Minecraft because with all this, and I'm definitely thinking about using Open3D for that. Python object renderer, so I can load object files as Minecraft particles. Hopefully it would work. I think it would. Let me think. We're doing pretty good. I mean, we got some special stuff too. Kind of want to use a lot of the ingredients here. See what happens. But yeah. I'm gonna type in chat. Let me think. You know, I'm kind of excited because finding out that I can actually integrate Python with this stuff, and instead of just using solely Bolt files, which is alright. Bolt is alright. It can allow for Python in some ways, but Python itself is very powerful without all the limitations of Bolt. And I don't think I need to use the standard library packager if I just create my own. Shoot. And just in case, you know, if you don't know what all this stuff means, like, oh man, I can't follow along, but ooh, pretty color, like with the particles and stuff. I feel you, man. It's kind of difficult working with this, like, well, kind of. I could explain some bits here. Oh, like this is easy. This, I'm just splitting the effect name into two. So instead of Minecraft : effect, it's going to be just the effect itself. And that's why I have this one here, because it's technically a list. Yeah. Other stuff like this is kind of complicated because this is using classes, and classes are kind of fun. But now I'm thinking about using data classes for this, because this is not that clean to look at. And they allow for, let's say, because I had to go back, see, oh, is this X, Y, and Z? Yes, this is. Well, with this IDE, I'm hoping that I can use data classes to print out text that you can overview, like, let's say, for example, like it gives hints. Peek. Yeah, like this. So you see how it has like def, print, and then blah 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 blah. Yeah. It technically this is a function, which is kind of weird, but kind of cool at the same time. Yeah. I think. Yeah, I want to do something like this, where I have like a bunch of text here that can explain, oh, what does this do? Especially when writing it out. Like this. This could be like literally anything. Technically, it doesn't pass through any object or any sign, but it's still a good thing that I would have data classes for structures that hold items in it. And it saves me a lot of code writing it. But, shoot, yeah. I'll just keep making more options. Keep turning the wheels on that. I think, yeah. Probably add a comment there for now. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day, evening, or night. I will try and get this data pack and, you know, update many other data packs as I go along. Oh, you know, little sneak peek, because I keep going back to this area. As you can see, Book Candle, Rustic Tomb, those are books that have been successfully built, like even passed through all this stuff. So you can see how I kind of started out with just like create an item but with a name. Now make the text, more text, modulized, more modulized, even more modulized, test book, multiple books in a row. And then this is just adding stats and stuff, and then mana cost, and then we got first visuals, and then yeah. So that's what I've been working on, building the whole back end of that, kind of like what you see me doing here. It's actually kind of cool. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna do data pack enable. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. We'll get a crafting table for now. Look at that. Oh my lord. It's so cool. Yeah, I'm just happy about that. Yeah, and of course you can craft stuff in that too. Right, here, we'll just get this out for now. Book, gold ingot, amethyst shard. Oh yeah, and I still need to fix that part. I think it's because I have no. That's weird. It's duplicating. Oh, data pack. I'm hoping to make a data pack library like so incredibly advanced that making data packs is basically on a whim. And updating. Oh, updating's one of the most biggest gripes I have with Minecraft data packing. Mojang keeps updating stuff and then messing it up and then keeps updating. So I'm looking into incorporating I think it's Gamer Geeks, yeah, or MC function files to dynamically generate new version controls, and then it'll all be in one data pack. So a data pack can support multiple, like, more versions than it should, is what I'm trying to say. That's something I want to try and work on. But yeah, anyways, done with me yapping alone. You got a little sneak peek of the Magic Spellbook data pack, version 2. It's right, like, the back end of that stuff is all complete now. So, yep. I'll be working on the books. If you got any ideas for any books or any magic spells you want to see added on that, just let me know. And I'm going to continue working on this little jam activity. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.